Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a dirty trick some spouses use to get their partner to leave the marital home during a divorce. This topic has come up in some of our cases and consults, and we thought it would be helpful to shed some light on this. So let's get started. The first tactic we've seen is using a temporary restraining order, also known as a TRO, to trick a spouse to leave the marital home. This is a legal document that can be obtained quickly by one spouse against another, and it can require the other spouse to leave the home. Unfortunately, we've seen some cases where one spouse has misinterpreted what a TRO means and use it as a way to get the other spouse out of the house. The second tactic is changing the locks on the marital home and telling your spouse he or she is not allowed in the home. This can be a little more complicated, but it is still a tactic we've seen used. We recently had a client whose wife changed the locks and refused to let him in the house. We found out he owned the house and his name was on the deed. So we advised him to call a locksmith or break a window to get in if necessary. We also suggested he bring a witness to record everything on his phone to protect him in case his wife called the police. On the flip side, we've also had clients whose spouse changed the locks on their apartment and wouldn't let them back in. In this case, we advised the client to call the police, and they may be able to get help to help them get into the apartment to get their things. Now you might be wondering, do I have to move out of the house just because my spouse told me to? The answer is no. Both parties have a right to stay in the home, and no one can force you to leave the residence without a court order except in case of domestic violence. If you are going through a divorce, a temporary orders hearing must be held to get a court order for exclusive use of the home. However, if you are going through a divorce, a temporary orders hearing must be held to get a court order for exclusive use of the home. However, if you have children, it is important to keep in mind during the divorce, if you believe your children need to continue living in the home with you, it may be in your best interest to request exclusive use of the home. This can be strategically advantageous for you during a temporary orders hearing and even in the final trial. In conclusion, while there are many emotional ties to a marital home, it is important to consider all the factors when weighing whether to ask your spouse to move out. If you're unsure, we always recommend consulting with a caring family law attorney who can help you make the best decision for you and your family. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this helpful. If you want to learn more about these dirty divorce tricks, be sure to check out our website. You can also request a free copy of my book, The Texas Divorce Handbook, Volume 2, 25 Dirty Divorce Tricks to Recognize and Guard Against, for even more valuable information. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope it was both helpful and informative for you. At the Law Office of Bryan Fagan, we are here for you. So please let us know how we can help you with your family law, estate planning, or criminal defense matters by calling our office today at 281-310-5563 to schedule your complimentary consultation. You can find all of our social media info in the description below, and if you would like to stay updated on all of our videos, events, and promotions, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the notification bell.